Are you excited? You should be. We're talking about plums today. And in case you just needed a little bit of a refresher, plums are small, sweet fruit produced by trees in the Prunes genus, which is a member of the rose family. They have smooth red, purple, and even yellow skin that encompasses a stone, which is why they're also referred to as a stone fruit, making it no surprise that the plum belongs to the same family as peaches, nectarines, apricots, and cherries. With approximately 2,000 different varieties of plums, many of them have come from Caucasus, around the Caspian Sea, and China. What's up everybody, I'm Andre, and this is Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. Okay, did you know plums are largely divided into two different groups, fairly round Japanese plums and somewhat oblong European plums. Now, within these two groups, we have well over 2,000 different varieties, which include the El Dorado, the Mirabelle, the Kelsey, and the Freedom. And for some of you, let's see if I can't help clear something up. All prunes are plums, but not all plums are prunes. Confused yet? Basically, it's usually the European category of plums that are turned into prunes. Prune juice is called that because it's created from the plums when they're in their prune or dried state, which of course means plum juice is made from fresh plums. Did that help? Let's keep moving on. Japanese plums are said to be effective against the infection caused by the influenza A virus. It's also believed that regular consumption of plums can help in reducing anxiety. Anxiety is thought to be correlated with a lowered total antioxidant state. And in a 2010 Harvard University study, it showed that enhancing your diet with foods rich in antioxidants may help ease the symptoms of anxiety disorders. The list of foods included kidney beans, artichokes, blackberries, and black plums specifically. And because we're already on the topics of plums, in just one plum, you'll find 30 calories, 1 gram of fiber, 0.5 grams of protein, and 8 grams of carbs. Plus, you'll also find vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, copper, and manganese. Plums may aid in digestion, maintaining a healthy nervous system, boost your immunity, and heart and cellular health. They may also help in regulating cholesterol levels, and because of all the fiber, they may help with constipation. Alright, so now that we have all of that information, let me tell you how to pick out a ripe plum. Number 1, make sure the plums have a deep, even color. Number 2, the plums should smell sweet with a fruity aroma. And finally, number 3, squeeze it. If it gives just a little, you're good to go. And speaking of good to go, this video's done. But before you go, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all that other great stuff. And leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the video and what else you want to see. All right, people, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.